Hello, T&M squad. Welcome and welcome back to another video. I hope you all are enjoying the uploading so far. Guys, you need to enjoy it because I enjoy making all of these videos, okay? So guys, let me know what you want to see, but for now, let's dive into this video. So today I'm making order for a client, but I'm using a very different corn dog recipe, and I decide I want to share it with you guys. Already in my plate I have 1 cup of flour, I have 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, I have 2 tablespoons of sugar in there already. I added half teaspoon of salt. Okay, at this point you can go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of red grinded pepper. That's if you want, but I am using fresh pepper, okay? So you can also use half cup of milk and half cup of water, but I am using 1 cup of water, okay? This is commercial, it's not for personal consumption. So guys, yeah, that's everything already in there. I'm going to add the pepper right away. This is going to give it a little hotness. Yeah, you want it to be spicy a bit, okay? So yeah, I'm going to give this a good mix. Over there I have just half-cup of water, though I will be needing more, but what you want to do is to mix this gradually, okay? So firstly I add the half-cup of water and I'm going to give this a good mix. As you can see, the water is not enough, so I'll be getting another half-cup of water, making total 1 cup of water for this mixture, and it gave me a very good consistency, just how I like it, okay? So I went and get the other cup of water, and now I'm going to add this one bit by bit, okay? So if you are the one that doesn't want it the way my own came out, you can go ahead and mix accordingly, but you just have to add the other water bit by bit so you don't get it too runny, and you can control how thick or how runny you want it. But at the end of the day, I added everything, which is making 1 whole cup of water, okay? So I'm just going to give this a very good mix. You want to mix it very well, okay? As you can see, I'm mixing. So you want to mix in a way that this thing will end up slimy. You understand what I mean? Like, you want it slimy. So this is me adding the rest of the water. So you want to give this a good mix, like beat it. Yes, that's the word. You want to beat it and beat it so it comes out looking slimy, okay? So once you get it like this and you get all of the flour melted, then you are good to go. So guys, that is that for the mixing. Moving forward, you want to prepare your sausages. So now I'm adding a little bit of flour in a flat plate. What I'm going to do at this point, I remembered I didn't get the skewer I am supposed to get. I went out earlier and I was supposed to get skewer, but because I didn't write it in my list, I forgot. So here is my sausage. What I'm doing, I'm taking 2 toothpick, okay, because I want it to be firm. If I use 1 toothpick, it's not going to hold, so I use 2 toothpick each. So you want to put that in your sausage and then coat your sausage with flour. What this does is it allows the sausage to take the batter easily, so the batter stick to it instead of running or dropping out from it. So another thing you want to do is to pat your sausage dry, maybe with a towel or anything. You want to pat it dry and also coat it in this flour. So while doing this, you are good to go. When you decide you want to put the batter, you won't get any trouble doing that. So this is what all of it looks like. So in this recipe as well, I want to show you guys something. So sometime last week I made breadcrumbs and I gave this particular client a different corn dog, okay? Not really like all of them was different. This client actually likes corn dog, so what I did, I just tried to experiment something, and I did like 3 of his order differently, and guess what, he liked it. So this time he ordered 10 corn dogs and asked me to make 5 of them the way I did it last week, which was actually a trial, because once in a while I just try new things and I give it to my clients to see how they react to it, okay? So in the breadcrumb that I made, I added cinnamon, and now I'm adding a bit of paprika. This is just to give it a outer taste. Okay, so when you finally add it to your corn dog, it's not just going to be bread on the skin, it's still going to have flavor and taste as well. So that's that for the corn, for the breadcrumbs. Okay, so at the end of the day, I just fried, and guess what, I didn't even know my phone wasn't recording, so I didn't really get the recording of when I was like putting the corn dog in the batter and passing it on to the um breadcrumbs. But you see, the same way you make scotch egg, you know how you coat scotch egg with like cornflakes or breadcrumb, that's the same way I did it, though I will make a separate video to show that in details. So here is the plain corn dog, like the plain one that doesn't have the old breadcrumb on it, and yeah, I'm showing you the one that has the breadcrumb on it, which I've already fried, not knowing my phone wasn't recording. So guys, this is what it looks like. If you like this new corn dog recipe, let me know in the comment section. And if by now you haven't liked, you haven't comment, you haven't subscribed, if you are new, please do me a favor and do all of that, please. Thank you so much. So I'm just going to finish up with this frying. You can see how beautiful it is. You can see how the fresh pepper came out. Like, this is going to be really, really delicious. Like, the pepper, everything is well mixed, okay, and it tastes fantastic. It tastes really nice. So that is that. Let me just finish frying. So I'm going to show you like a closer look of what this corn dog really looks like. You can see it's so beautiful. So I'm done with all of the frying. It's time to package, and of course I'm going to tell you how I priced this. Okay, so when it comes to this box, the client did not choose any of my packaging in my list. Okay, so this client actually just listed this and this is what I need, which is what he always does. Okay, so he just stated what he need and I priced it. Even my single prices are in my price list. So he just told me what he wants and I used the single prices, and I'm going to tell you about it. So he ordered 13 pieces of samosas. Okay, so that goes for 200 naira each. So 13 pieces is 2,600 naira. As for the spring roll, I sell for 180 naira. So he ordered 13 pieces as well. That's 2,340 naira. 10 corn dog at 200 naira each. That's 2,000 naira. 30 puff puff at 50 naira each. That's 1,500 naira. 20 mosa at 100 naira. That's 2,000 naira. He ordered 3 small size chicken at 300 naira. That's 1,200 naira. 4 small size turkey at 700 naira each. That is 2,800 naira. So he went for the large box, which is 900 naira. So that is that for the pricing. Yeah, that is that. So let me calculate and give you the total. So in total, she paid me 15,350 naira for everything in this box. So I think it is wise, or it is smart, because if you are getting any of the packages, I don't think it will be this much. So it was really smart of him to like order individually and get the single price. And this is also okay because you get to choose what you want, the quantity of it, and yeah, you get to enjoy it the way you want it. So guys, that's the corn dog, and that those brown ones are like the ones with the breadcrumbs. Okay, so those two I think was the first set I put in the oil, and the oil was quite too hot, but still it's okay. So yeah, that's what it looks like, and it's really nice. Like, it's crunchy. I don't know if you will try it. I will make a video specifically for that so you can see it closely. It's really nice. It's nice. So maybe something you can try, and I will also show you guys how I make the breadcrumbs. It's very easy. Just don't throw away your old bread. Maybe you have bread that stay like 3 days and you're not interested in it anymore, so there's no need to waste it. So I'm just going to like conclude or finish packaging this thing. So I added the puff puff, and now I'm adding the mosa, I'm going to like give it space to add the mosa. Then I do the usual, add the chicken, but today I get to add some cucumbers in the box, okay, just for garnishing anyway. So please, I'm still begging, if you haven't liked, you haven't commented, you haven't subscribed, if you are new, please go ahead and do just that. It's totally free, like it's free, no payment whatsoever to like this video. So guys, thank you so much for always, thank you so very much. I really appreciate you guys. And let me give you a tip. You want to be watching like every day, and if possible you want to watch early, because any moment from now we'll be having our first giveaway on this 14 days. Okay, so our first giveaway is just around the corner, and you know it's fastest, as in the earliest you watch, the earliest you have the chance to win, because all of the questions, all of the tasks will be in the video. So you don't want someone else to come and watch early while you come later and then the prize is gone. So please, and if you haven't subscribed to my vlog channel by Tinata Bansi, please go ahead and subscribe, because that's where all of the prizes, all of the winners will be called. Okay, so that's where the winners will be announced, but this is where the game will be played. So please do me a favor, go and subscribe to that channel. And also trust me, I'm bringing vlogs and other background behind the scene stuff going on. I'm bringing them on that channel, so it's just for you to support me anyway. It's not like a, yeah, just go and support me, show me love. There you'll be seeing my beautiful face, and also you'll be seeing the chair lady herself. So thank you guys, thank you for always watching. See the beautiful corn dog. This recipe, I love it, I love it so much. So I would like you all to try it and let me know how you like it. Okay, so guys, yeah, that's it for today's video.
I no go stop, I no go settle. My light is never gonna die. Don't I go fire any devil. My life is forever gonna shine. Before them don't know me from my area, now I'll be here to the guys. Cause I came, I come, a sun, conquer. My light is forever gonna shine. I'm so